Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Maverick Lariat. Coming in this nice desert sand coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, we got rear park sensing, backup camera, nice blacked out Ford logo. We do get a bed liner as well with hooks and doodads to hold your gear, which is pretty nice. Mud flaps on the rear, as well as the front. Blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do have that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, a little storage cubby here. Got floor mats, carpet interior. We do get USB-C and 120 volt with a little hook. And we do get under-seat storage, which is all pretty handy. And of course you do get your cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front. Lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 68 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle for your screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get audio, phone, settings, display, and all that other fun stuff. And to my right, we have our gear select, park and brake, drive modes, which do include normal, tow and haul, slippery, eco, sport, and normal again. We have our traction, auto stop, auto start, auto hold, tons of storage with a wireless charging pad, more storage there. You got a 12 volt here, more outlets, engine start, and we do get a powered rear window opener. Looking at just above it, we have our dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, all that jazz, hazards tune, volume, little storage cubby right there, storage below, storage right there, and above me we do have our features for our sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Looking at our main screen here, we have our navigation, audio, phone, Wi-Fi hotspot, and for your audio, oh lordy, for your audio you do get AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone connectivities, navigation, and the apps you man down, little show right here. There's that Sirius XM travel link, settings, Ford Pass, Bluetooth, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RB30616, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.